Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Bitcoin Analytica. Right now, we're actually crashing, so it felt like it was a great time to put out a video. It's your host, Joe Saz. We're going to cover some of this price action right now in real time and get this party started. I need to get to screen share, but you guys just give me a few minutes here. Sorry. A few seconds, I should say. All right, screen share's up. I'm actually going to go grab my trading computer too. All right, here we are. Something's up right now. I need to go grab my trading computer. All right, so this kind of sucks how it does this, but we're looking at a long, slow spill here. What the fuck is up with this? Fuck. It's fucking bullshit. All right. This crash started at about 10:21 a.m. and it's continuously rolling down. It's kind of a typical crash where we have the first handful of sellers going a little slow, and then we have the capitulators. Basically what I'm trying to do is catch a falling knife, and that's something I'm doing because I see how cooked the RSI is, which could get worse. And I noticed that our perpetual markets have gotten a bit more bullish in the amount of time it took for us to go sideways with a couple peaks down. So I actually like what I'm seeing, even though in this really recent past few minutes, we have a little fall off of bids in the perpetual markets. We also have a massive fall off of asks and a heavy ask dominance in the spot markets. So this is looking real good. Looking real good for a reversal territory. Now, we might not be all the way there. I wouldn't recommend to go balls deep on this trade right now at this price point. We don't even have signals yet, but we definitely have we definitely are in the range where it's going to make sense to put out some good orders. In fact, I'm a little busy myself doing some work here. Yeah, I like what I'm seeing though. I like what I'm seeing for a reversal, for at least a short-term reversal. Let's run through this show and get to the next one. All right, so we took a little spill through the 50-day moving average here. On CME, no gaps. On the daily, we are now continuing the trend down toward the 128-day support moving average, currently trending at 28,687. So look, you guys, high 28s, mid 28s is absolutely on the table right now. We don't have signals. We had a massive sell band dominance. We are floating in thin air right now. There's some bearish news. People shorting the markets more than they've ever shorted markets. You know, big whales doing putting up massive wealth in shorting SPX, BlackRock pulling out of US markets. So there's a lot of stuff going on, a lot of fundamentals that are going to affect price, but clearly we still have our 128-day moving average support. I wouldn't expect after 2 wicks for this thing to bust down. I think we're going to trade. The markets are always going to trade. They're going to just, you know, other than black swan events, they're going to behave fairly rationally. So we do have support down here in the mid 28,000s. I'm thinking that's a good range to bank on. Now over here in silver, we have the same move down over the past few hours. So it appears to be market wide. I mean, what more can you say about that? Once I see market wide stuff, I assume it's fundamental, because usually it takes a news article to affect. Here, I'll switch this. when I see a market-wide crash, I expect there to be some sort of fundamental news that caused it, because if you have various commodities across different playing fields all crashing at the same time, it's the same psychology being affected, fear. And I think if that's oh man. My point is, I think if that happens, then it's okay to expect a bounce, because whenever you have irrational buying, you have irrational selling, and the same vice versa. Whenever you have irrational selling, you have irrational buying. So one always ends in the other. So I would expect this to flip around and change for us pretty soon. It might even do so right now. So why don't we open up a trade show, and I'll share screen my chart, and we'll play some trades. Much love to you all. I'll catch you guys on the next stream. Probably going to do a volatile trading episode here very shortly. All right, everyone, peace. Well, this time for real, peace.